Hey guys, Daniel Mar 1228 here. Merry Christmas, and for those of you who don't celebrate Christmas, happy holidays. This right here is the Steelseries NIMBUS wireless controller that I'll be using for my iPad. So, screwdriver right here. Oh, God. You know what? That's because I was just so lazy. I'm just gonna untape this. There we go. Alrighty. So there we go. This tape is so strong. It's like on a lot of boxes. So let's just unbox this. Ugh. Sorry if the video footage is quite bad. There we go. Okay, so let's open the box right here. There it is. So this is the controller. So let's see, under here. Oh, it's really just foam. I mean, whoops. Yeah, just got the manual in here. And this right here. So let's take out the controller itself. So this is what the controller looks like. And these are the manuals. So that's it. See you guys. Alright, it's the next day, and it turns out all I really had to do was just charge this with my lightning cable. Interesting, I didn't realize that. I guess I either should have read this more carefully or it didn't show. Interesting. Yeah. I just assumed that I had to put this in and it worked. So anyways, this works now. It's time to set up. That'll be it for now. Alright, so I just started playing Minecraft with it, and check this out. Yep, it actually works. So, yeah, it's hard to do with one hand, but still, it actually works. So anyways, that'll be it for now. See you guys.